name's Alex Fritz. I'm a glass artist in Laguna Beach, California. I use a process called lamp working, meaning I make everything on my torch. Basically build everything out of clear rod, colored rod, and frit. A typical day in my life, I get up, come into my studio, fire up the torch, warm up the kiln. When the piece is finished, I put it in my kiln and I keep it at 1050 degrees. And that anneals the glass, just kind of cooks out the stress. Growing up, I was fortunate enough to have a really awesome, supportive family. My mom was an artist. My grandma Ludmilla was an artist. My dad was just very supportive. And they could tell early on, I like to draw and sketch and just create things. I've been blowing glass for about 16 years, but I'd say I've just hardly nicked the surface on what can be done. I love learning new techniques and just, always just progressing. Once I found out about Sawdust, my wife and I moved up here and I became part of the show, and it's just been wonderful. A lot of the people you meet are fantastic and really supportive, and now all of a sudden I have more work than I can, accomplish in a year. As an artist, following your passion, that's just what you do. I just feel so lucky that I can be here, work, be creative, and get so much support from the community. A huge partner in this has been my wife, Nicole. She helps me watch the booth in the summertime quite a bit, and she's just been supportive since day one. I love her tremendously, and I'm really thankful for her. My name's Alex Fritz. I live here in Laguna Beach, California. I'm a glass blower at the Sawdust Art Festival.